Hey, I'm Eric from Neater Nest, and today I'm going to introduce you to our line of toilet paper holders. The first model we released was the 981 series. It comes in chrome, brushed, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. And what's unique about it is that when we designed it, we changed the mounting position of the holder arm. So instead of mounting on the side, we wanted to get it away from the wall to support those larger rolls. And so we put the mounting holes in the front, and that gets you more distance away from the wall. And the other benefit by doing that is it allows the holder to be reversible, so you can just flip it around depending on which side of the wall you're mounting it on. So that's the big feature of this one. It does mount with drywall anchors, and if those aren't sturdy enough for you, you can always upgrade to the more heavy-duty drywall anchors, and that should make it plenty sturdy. The next model we released was the 481 series. This is our decorative series, and it comes in brushed, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. You can see it has a fancy pattern on the front and also on the arm. What's unique about it is on the bottom it has multiple mounting holes. So it does make it reversible. You can put it on either wall and flip it around. You can also move it forward and back depending on the thickness of your rolls. Again, this does mount with drywall anchors, but if you need to upgrade those in the future to make it more sturdy, you can do that. The next model we released was the 7285 series. These come in brushed, shiny silver, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. And what makes these unique is, again, we wanted to support those larger rolls, so we have expanded the arm to get it out away from the wall more to support those larger rolls. And it does come all assembled, ready to go, so there's virtually no assembly required. The unique thing about ours, we do include some double-sided tape, so if you're mounting in an area where you can't put screws, you can always use this tape and it'll give you a nice secure bond. But we also include drywall anchors, so you can mount those with anchors as well. And our newest series is the 9285 series, currently available in brushed and oil-rubbed bronze. And again, it's just like our double series. The difference is it just holds one roll of toilet paper, so it's good for smaller little spaces. But again, we've increased the size of the arm to get that roll away from the wall and support the larger rolls. And again, with these, we do include the double-sided tape, and so it gives you lots of options for mounting. The other unique factor about this holder that you won't see in any others is that we actually added some mounting holes on the sides. So what you can do is you can remove the screws from the back, and you can actually flip the arm around and it becomes reversible, so depending on which side of the wall you mount it on, you can have your arm going a different direction. And that's useful when you're pulling. You don't want the roll sliding off the end, so you can just reverse that direction very easily. Again, all of our single roll holders are reversible, so you can change the arm, and or if you want to upgrade to our deluxe version, it holds 2 rolls, and then you don't have to worry about which side it's on. I hope you found this video helpful today. If you still have any questions about our products, definitely contact our customer service at Neater Nest, and we'd be happy to help you out.